Now I am going to explain the project, a shoulder surfing resistant graphical authentication system. This is the project based on the web security domain. The main aim of the project is to resist shoulder surfing attacks in graphical authentication system. The objective of the project is to develop the application which resists shoulder surfing attacks in graphical authentication system with one-time valid login indicator and circulative horizontal and vertical bars covering the entire scope of pass images. Textual passwords have been the most widely used authentication method for decades. Textual passwords are often insecure due to the difficulty of maintaining strong ones. To overcome this, various graphical password authentication schemes were developed to address the problems and weaknesses associated with textual passwords. In this project, we present a secure graphical authentication system named Passmatrix that protects users from becoming victims of shoulder surfing attacks when inputting passwords in public through the usage of one-time login indicators. A login indicator is randomly generated for each pass image and will be useless after the session terminates. The login indicator provides better security against shoulder surfing attacks since users use a dynamic pointers to point out the position of their passwords rather than clicking on the password object directly. For example, people may log into the web services and apps in public to access their personal accounts with their smartphones, tablets, or public devices like bank ATM. Shoulder surfing attackers can observe how the passwords were entered with the help of reflecting glass windows or let alone monitors hanging everywhere in public places. Passwords are exposed to risky environments even if the passwords themselves are complex and secure. A secure authentication system should be able to defend against the shoulder surfing attacks and should be applicable to all kinds of devices. These are the types of shoulder surfing attacks. Firstly, naked eyes, video captures the entire authentication process only once. Video captures the entire authentication process more than once. This is the pass matrix we are going to introduce. Here the sliders will be there. For each and every time of OTP means one time password, user has to set the slider according to their setted password. This is the flowchart of registration and this is the flowchart of authentication. The software requirements of these projects are: firstly, Eclipse. It is an IDE, means integrated development environment, which is used to develop the web applications. And the database we are using is the MySQL and SQL Log as the interface for the MySQL. And the server we are using is Tomcat server. Our application is MVC based. MVC means Model View Controller. It is a software design pattern for developing the web applications. Model means the lowest level of the pattern which is responsible for maintaining data. View means which is responsible for displaying all the portion of the data to the user. Controller means the software code that controls the interaction between the model and the view. And these application can be run in multiple systems. This is our application. These are the packages. Inside the packages, Java files and the servlets will be there. Servlets are the server-side programs. And for the front end, JSPs will be there. JSP means Java Server Pages. Let us start the Tomcat server. This is our application, which is the first page of our application, the login page. New user has to sign up to the account. Let us create one user. We should give the valid mail ID. And also the valid mobile number. OTP will be sent to the valid mobile number as well as to the valid mail ID. Now user has to set the graphical password by clicking the specific locations in this image. This is the first image randomly assigned to the user. This is the location selected by the user for the first image. This is the second location which is selected by the user. In the third image, this is the location selected by the user. Now the password has been set successfully and the user added successfully. Now user has to log in with the textual passwords and the username. At the time of login, OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. Now OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. See, this is the OTP for the slider. Now the user has to set the slider according to this position. This is the hash code for the position. Now user has to set the slider according to these positions. D1 should be in this position. D should be in the 4th position. 1 should be in the 5th position. Now 1 should be in the 5th position. D should be in the 4th position. Now for the second image, B should be in the 2nd position. 5 should be in the 2nd position. B should be in the 2nd position and 5 should be in the 2nd position. For the third image, D should be in the 5th position and 5 should be in the 4th position. D should be in the 5th position and 5 should be in the 4th position. Now password matched. User logged in successfully. Now user can able to view his profile. He can edit his profile. This is the home page of the user. He can log out. If you want to again log in, means one more OTP will be sent to the user. According to the OTP, he has to set the sliders. Thank you. Have a good day.